Introducing the Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Designed for efficiency, it features powerful suction, dual scrubbing brushes, and tank-like treads for superior traction. The smart navigation system scans and plans optimal cleaning paths, covering the pool floor and walls with precision. With a high-capacity filter basket, it captures dirt, leaves, and debris easily. A single button starts the cleaning cycle, and LED indicators display battery and status updates. It's fully rechargeable and offers up to 90 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Ideal for all pool shapes and surfaces. Clean your pool effortlessly and let the robot do the work.